Welcome. This video is for 5 Further Math Day 1. 5 questions per day we will be solving it out based upon Further Math, Further Pure Mathematics FP1. So let's start with the first question. A quadratic equation has roots alpha and beta for x square minus 2x plus 4. X square minus 2x plus 4. The quadratic equation is that, and alpha and beta are the roots of that equation. So x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So sum of the roots is going to be minus of minus 2 upon 1, which is 2. Product of the roots is going to be c upon 1, so which is 4. Now we have found it out, that is part 1. And in part 2, what is being asked? Alpha squared plus beta squared. Formula is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So which is going to be 2 square minus 4 times 4, which is 4 minus 16, 2 times 4. So which is 2 times 4, 4 minus 8, which is going to be negative 4. Hence find a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. So for part 3, I am going to find alpha square plus beta square, which is negative 4, which is going to be the sum of the roots. Then alpha square times beta square, which is alpha beta whole square, which is nothing but what 4 square, which is 16, which is going to be the product of the roots. So now the equation is going to be x square minus x times sum of the roots plus product of the roots equals to 0. So x square minus of minus 4 times x plus 16 equals to 0. X square plus 4x plus 16 equals to 0. Now coming to part B. A cubic equation has the roots p, 2p, 3p. Find the value of p. So we know that sigma alpha beta should be equals to c upon a. So p times 2p plus 2p times 3p plus p times 3p should be equals to c upon a. C is nothing but what? A upon 1. So 2p square plus 6p square plus 3p square equals to a. And what does that become? 9. 11p square equals to a. Before that, what is that? Alpha plus beta plus gamma should be equals to minus b upon a. P plus 2p plus 3p equals to minus of minus 12 upon 1. So 6p equals to 12, p equals to 2. So plug in p equals to 2. You should be getting a equals to 11 times 2 square, which is going to be 44. That is the answer. Coming to question number 2. Use the substitution x equals to u plus 2 to find the exact real root of this equation. So what am I going to do with that? X equals to u plus 2. So it becomes u plus 2 whole cube minus 6 times u plus 2 whole square plus 12 times u plus 2 minus 13 equals to 0. So u cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Formula I am using it out, plus 2 cube minus 6 times u square plus 4u plus 4 plus 12u plus 24 minus 13 equals to 0. So this gives me u cube plus 6u square plus 12u plus 8 minus 6u square minus 24u minus 24 plus 12u plus 24 minus 13 equals to 0. Then 6u square gets cancels. Then 12u plus 12u is 24u, 24u gets cancels. Then negative 24 and positive 24 gets cancelled. So what am I left over? U cube minus 5 equals to 0. U cube equals to 5. U equals to cube root of 5. But the root of x is u plus 2. So therefore it is cube root of 5 plus 2. That is the answer. Question number 3. The equation x cube minus 9x square plus 27x plus minus 29. Find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 9 upon 1, which is 9. Next, given that beta equals to p plus iq, find the values of p in terms of alpha. So beta equals to P plus IQ. So, and find the values of P in terms of alpha. Now, we know that another root should be P minus IQ, because always roots should be conjugate. They should be always in conjugate. So root should be always in conjugate. So we know that just now we calculated that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 9. So alpha is P minus IQ and beta is P plus IQ plus gamma equals to nothing but what? 9. So from there, what am I going to get it out? So we can write it as, if alpha is like this, we can assume that it can be gamma also. Gamma, so that because I want in terms of alpha. So that's the reason I don't eliminate alpha. So I keep alpha as it is, and gamma is P minus IQ equals to 9. Then what will happen is IQ gets cancels. 2P plus alpha equals to 9. So P equals to 9 minus alpha by 2. Because if I eliminate alpha, I'll not be getting it out answer in terms of alpha. So therefore, I thought as gamma equals to P minus IQ, because root should be always conjugate. Write down the value of alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma equals to nothing but what? Product of the roots, which is what is this? Minus d upon a. Minus of minus 29 upon 1, which is going to be 29. Find the value of q in terms of alpha only. Find the value of q in terms of alpha. So now beta gamma. What is beta gamma? P plus IQ times P minus IQ equals to nothing but how much? 29. So alpha times P square minus I square Q square equals to 29. So alpha times P square plus Q square equals to 29. So P square plus Q square equals to square root. P square plus Q square equals to 29 by alpha. So Q square equals to 29 by alpha minus P square. So Q square equals to 29 upon alpha minus P. What is P? 9 minus alpha by 2. So 9 minus alpha by 2 whole square, which is 4. So what is value of Q now? Q equals to square root of 29 by alpha minus 9 minus alpha whole square upon 4. Coming to question number 4. 1 of the root of x square plus px plus q is 2 minus 3i. So alpha is 2 minus 3i. Just now we learned that beta should be 2 plus 3i. What is other root? 2 plus 3i, because they should be always conjugate. Next, find the values of p and q. So our sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, should be equals to minus p by 1. So 2 plus 3i plus 2 minus 3i equals to negative p. 3i gets cancels. Negative p equals to 4. P equals to negative 4. Then product of the roots should be equals to c by 1, q by 1. So 2 plus 3i times 2 minus 3i equals to q. 2 square minus 3 square I square equals to q. 4 plus 9 equals to q. Q equals to 13. That's going to be the answer. Finally, question number 5. The cubic equation has roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. So find alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? Minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 2 upon 1, which is 2. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma equals to c upon a, which is 3 upon 1, which is 3. Then alpha beta gamma is minus d upon a, which is minus 4 upon 1, which is negative 4. A cubic equation has roots alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 and gamma plus 1. Find the value of p. So sum of the roots alpha plus 1 plus beta plus 1 plus gamma plus 1 should be equals to minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 3 should be equals to minus b. B is p and a is 1. Minus p upon 1. But alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? 3. So 2. So 2 plus 3 equals to negative p. So negative p equals to 5. P equals to negative 5. Find the value of q. He is asking us to find the value of q. So for part 3, alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 times gamma plus 1 equals to minus d upon a, product of the roots, and d is nothing but what? Q, minus q upon 1. So first multiply alpha plus beta plus 1 times gamma plus 1 equals to minus q upon 1. What I did, I multiplied these two brackets. Next, what am I going to do? I am going to multiply these two now. So it becomes alpha beta gamma plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma plus gamma plus alpha beta plus beta plus 1 equals to minus q. Now arrange them in order. Alpha beta gamma plus alpha gamma plus alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 1 equals to negative q. So what was alpha beta gamma? Minus 4. Alpha beta plus beta gamma is 3 and alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. So this is negative 4 and this entire thing is 3 and this entire thing is 2 plus 1 equals to negative 2. Minus 4 plus 6 equals to negative q. Negative q equals to 2. Q equals to negative 2. That's going to be the answer. That completes 5 questions for today. See you in the next video. Bye.